Hi, today let's make tasty Kesar Rice Kheer. Here I've taken cleaned and washed rice which I've soaked for at least 20 minutes. You can take any kind of small grain rice. If you don't have small grain rice, you can use basmati rice as well. You need to blend it into a coarse paste like that and keep it aside. In a pot, add in milk. Here I've taken 1 liter of milk and then give it a good mix. When you see one boil coming in, that time you need to add in this rice paste and give it a good mix. Keep on stirring, otherwise the rice tends to settle down. And then you need to add in the saffron strands when you see this kind of boil around in the milk, because if you add saffron strand at this stage, it gives that it enhances the flavor, as well as you get this light butter yellow in the milk, for which we are aiming for. Now I'm adding in some cardamom powder for the taste. It gives great flavor. And then I like to add condensed milk for the sweetness. If you don't like condensed milk, you can add in sugar as well. Condensed milk gives this rich, creamy, kulfi kind of taste. And once check for the rice if it's cooked, and then switch off the gas. You finally garnish it with some pistachios, almonds which has been crushed and roasted, and then some saffron strands. You can serve it hot or cold. This just tastes like your kesar kulfi. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.